You've seen me out backpacking and camping, and I am always passing out in the campsite, and then people have to come along and poke me with a little sharp stick because I've tried to pump up my air mattress with my lungs. And so in today's video, we are coming to you with Airmaster Nano from RoosCamp, and this little guy is very lightweight. This video is only the unboxing. I will be demonstrating exactly how it works in another video, but if you're like me and you're kind of looking at the Amazon listing, you're wondering what actually comes in here, what kind of attachments are there? It's incredible. Wow. All right, and the moment of truth, here are the accessories in this one right there. And in the very bottom, it appears to be the cable. All right, and it's just a USB-C cable to USB-A, very standard. And it appears that you charge it in that little spot right there. So there's a little rubberized thing that you can push in so it stays somewhat watertight. Well, let's push that. Whoa! That's really powerful. Whoa, and look, it's got like a little... Now, obviously, you're not going to be using this as a fan to keep yourself cool because this is loud. It sounds like a jet engine. Hold it down, there's a light. Well, that's just cool. So that explains why there's this little hanger thing here. So when you're done using this to pump up your air mattress in your tent, obviously, you're going to hold it down like so to turn off and on the light. Oh, it's different brightnesses. Oh, that's cool. Okay, how do I, oh, it's a double click. Wow, that's crazy.